Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fixed Google Play gift card not redeeming. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Google Play gift card not redeeming, the first method that you can use is check the card status. Make sure the gift card is active and not expired. Verify the balance on the card if possible, and ensure the card matches your Google account country. The next method is enter the code correctly, so simply enter the code exactly as printed, including letters, numbers, and dashes, and avoid copying extra spaces from emails or packaging. Then simply tap on redeem and check if the balance is redeemed or not. Then check your Google account. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you want to redeem the card on. Then Google Play gift cards are account specific. Redeeming on another account will not transfer the balance. The next method is check your country compatibility. Gift cards are region specific. Example, a US Google Play gift card only works on a Google account registered in the US. If your account doesn't match the card, it won't redeem. Then next method that you can use is try another device. Sometimes device specific issues occur. Try redeeming the card on a different phone, tablet, or a computer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.